Chapter 1, Building with Bricks, NCERT. So you can observe a wall here. And how does this wall form? This wall is a result of repeated arrangement of a brick. Okay, you can observe there are number of bricks which is repeatedly arranged one over one. So this wall becomes here. So in this chapter we will learn about how different buildings are there, how their design is there. Let us start. What will we learn in this chapter? इस चैप्टर में हम लोग क्या सीखेंगे, पहले ये समझ लेते हैं. First, new words. We will learn some new English words which is being used in this chapter. Secondly, we will learn steps of making bricks. How do we make bricks? And the third, pattern with bricks and shapes. So new words as a part of English, steps of making bricks as a part of EVS concept, pattern with bricks and shapes as a part of maths concept. So we will learn all three subjects here. Okay, so the new English words. Bricks. What is bricks? Eat. Bricks is singular, bricks is plural. We say it eat or eate. Okay, eat, eate, brick, bricks. So what are these? These are bricks in which you will find height, length and width. Okay, width, height, length. Okay, width, height, length. So this is a cuboid shape. Now pattern. Pattern is design. Okay, so what is the pattern? Pattern means we have a unit design, and by repeated arrangement of this unit we form a bigger design. You can see here in which unit is this one brick. Then by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bricks they have made one unit. Now after repeating this one unit many times it becomes a big design. Thereafter they have made a square. Now this is unit and this is repeated over and over again to make a floor patterns. Okay, or roof pattern or any pattern. So in a design one unit thing is there and unit is repeatedly arranged in a way so that it become a larger design or pattern. Arc. What is arc? Arc is this kind of circular shape. Okay, so what is the use of this word in the chapter? You can see they have formed an arc design with the help of bricks. So this is arc design. On upper side is arc, lower side is arc. So this kind of arc design is used in the chapter. Chimney. What is chimney? जिसमें से धुआं निकलता है, like this. यहाँ पे नीचे ईंटों को पकाया जाता है, कच्ची ईंटें रखी जाती हैं, उसको आग जला में पकाया जाता है और धुआं यहाँ से बाहर आता है. चिमनी को हिंदी में भी चिमनी कहते हैं. और जिन घरों में गैस का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता, चूल्हे होते हैं या कोयले का ईंधन यूज होता है, तो वहां पे भी चिमनी लगी होती थी पहले, आजकल तो बहुत कम हो गई है. तो चिमनी धुआं बाहर निकालने के काम आती है. ठीक है. नाउ स्टेप्स ऑफ मेकिंग ब्रिक्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मिट्टी को खोदते हैं. We dig the clay. We use clay for the making some this kind of thing because clay can be joined together closely and tightly. So first of all we just dig the clay. Secondly we knead the dough. हम लोग आटा गूंथ की तरह मिट्टी को गूंथ लेते हैं. आटा की तरह मिट्टी को गूंथने के बाद उसको हम लोग सांचे में डालते हैं. So first step is digging the land or clay. Second, kneading the dough, putting in the design, and taking out of the design. So this process is repeated several times. Thereafter इन बहुत सारी ईंटों को हम लोग सूरज की रोशनी में थोड़ा सा सुखा लेते हैं. जब ये सूख जाती है अच्छे से, इसके अंदर का पानी खत्म हो जाता है, ये बिल्कुल ड्राई हो जाती है, तो इसको चिमनी में रख के पका लिया जाता है. चिमनी में रख के बहुत सारा इसमें लकड़ी और ईंधन डाल के इसमें आग लगा दी जाती है और धुआं इससे बाहर आ जाता है. ओके, तो इसके बाद जो ईंटें बनती हैं वो पक्की बनती हैं, मजबूत बनती हैं. So this is the steps of making bricks. So you can see how do some potter make pots. Okay, you must have gone through a chapter in class 3 in which they are making pots, different pots. So what is the difference between making pots and making this brick? You can write in comment box. Now this is all about the background of the chapter. Detail we will study in part 2 and further sequences. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos.